Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm
Hello? Hello?
audible.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So you are clearing, right? Whatever I'm saying. If you have any doubts, please stop me. Okay. Just I'm giving glance only on the reporting tool. So we'll go to again other concept. Okay. Yeah. So in the SAP BW4 HANA, how do you create these options? I will show you again. And both the comparison, I'm telling that. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to create new ADS. Now you clear, right? Advanced DSO. While you are creating advanced DSO, different options came. Inbound only, reporting enable, compression. Three options came. This is very, very important. Standard advanced DSO. So I'm taking different data source this time. This is delivery data source. See here, by default it is creating staging advanced DSO. I don't want staging advanced DSO. This the moment I want to go direct standard advanced DSO. See here, this is BW4 HANA, not BW on HANA. So when I click on standard advanced DSO, it is selected right change log and snapshot, and these options will come, but didn't select snapshot. We'll see unique data records and snapshot. These options we'll see with the um, examples. With examples also we'll see. So how many tables will generate that and all we'll see slowly, slowly. Okay. And now you can go to the details. Okay. See, manage keys are there. How many key fields you can keep it maximum for standard advanced ratio? This is very, very, very important in the real time. Standard advanced ratio and staging also important. Mainly it will support for overwrite and summation. Or maximum, minimum, we need to give one key field, and maximum 120 key fields. So these are all intuitive, they will ask you, okay, 120 key fields. We can create based on the field based modeling, or info object modeling, it is possible. Info object modeling possible. Okay, we can create ADSO. We can create standard ADSO based on the field based modeling. Based on the field based modeling, based on the field based modeling or info object modeling. Either anything is fine. Okay. By default, it will support for override. By default, by default, it will support for override. By default. Okay. It will handle it will handle duplicates automatically. It will handle duplicates automatically by using the override option. Override option. Because based on the it will work based on the will work it will work based on the keyfields. For example, you are loaded 100 records. 100 records you loaded. And again, if you load 100 records, same records, what will happen? Are you getting 200 records? No, because by default, override option would be there. If we load 100 records, same records, if we load 100 times also, 100 records would be there because override. Clear? We'll see in the loading while you are loading. Okay, if you are loading 100 records, same type of records if we load, same records if we load, again it will be 100 only. If we load like this, 1,000 times also 100 records would be there because by default override option. If we select summation option, if we load 100, again it will be 100 only, but it will be amount is double. Initially amount is 1,000 example. Again you are loading 100 records and it will be now 2,000. Again you are loading same thing. It is getting double cumulative. Same records only, but it is getting double, triple, like this it will go. Clear? This option. We'll see in the system level, not like this. And it will create three tables. This is very, very important. Three tables. Inbound table, inbound table. This is interview question. Inbound table, active table. How many tables it will create for standard ADSO? How many tables will create for staging advanced ADSO? They will put question in front of you. Change law table. Okay, these tables will create. So we can do reporting maximum based on this ADSO, standard ADSO. Okay. When we load data into standard advanced layer. So initially it will store into the inbound layer. When we do the activation, data will delete from the inbound table. It will go to the active table and change law table parallelly. Okay. When we load data into the standard advanced layer, so initially data will store physically in the inbound table. When we do the DSO activation, it will move from inbound table to active table, change law table parallelly. It will delete from the inbound table. That is the concept. So when we create a standard advanced DSO, it will create three tables in the backend. These are the three tables. And views common. Views are common, same. What is that? Reporting view, reporting view, and extraction view, and also a scale view. See here, the naming convention would be different. Okay, here I will show you how it will be like. Example, I am creating ZADSO underscore tool. This is my ADSO name I given. What is the table name here? So same like this only. So it will use like this, and here slash BIC slash A. Our DSO name 1. Clear. And same DSO, same table only. In the last, it will change 2. Okay. Same table only. It will change 3. So this means inbound table is 1, active table is 2, Change law table is 3. And reporting view is 7, bro. Okay, clear, huh? The naming convention. This one, 6, bro. So they will ask you naming convention also sometimes interview. Okay, be careful. So what I'm doing, I just added slash BACA. Extra I added slash BACA. Slash BACA. I just added slash BACA. Slash BACA I just added. And the DSO name. Okay, I will put it here. Slash BAC. Okay, A and DSO name. And DSO name. ADSO name. DSO name. And number 1 or 2 or 3 or 7 or 6 or 8. Like this we need to give. Okay. This is the naming convention for them. Yeah, sorry. You clear, right, the naming convention whenever we create. Now we'll see in the system level how it was created. So we just created this one, right? Go to general and there is a properties. There is a properties and go to DDIC. How it is created. What is our DSO name, bro? Here DSO name this one. ZSDSO underscore tool. Now you can see here ZSDSO underscore tool. Slash BACA is common for all. In the last you can see 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 8. Okay, these are the tables created. Clear? Why it is coming this option to me? It is not cropping. Okay, got it. So I will keep it to you. I mean, maybe it will helpful to you. Okay, I'm just keeping. You can refer this one. Okay, you can compare both also. You can compare both. Okay, now you can see here. What is the inbound table name? See here, one only, right? Last. What is the active table name? 2. What is change law table? 3. What is the reporting view? 7. What is the extraction view? 6. What is the SQL view name? 8. Last. Our DSO name is same only. Clear? When we create standard advanced DSO, it will create 3 tables. Very, very important. When I load data into standard advanced DSO, initially store data into the inbound table. When we do the activation, it will move from inbound table to active table, change log table parallelly. So we are not loading to reporting view, extraction view, SQL view. These are the views. View will not store data physically. These are the 3 tables. These are the 3 views. View will not store data physically. Table will store physically. Inbound table will store physically. Active table store physically. Change log table store data physically. It will occupy memory. It won't occupy memory. Reporting view, extraction view, and SQL view. Clear? In the older version also same concept. In the BW we have only these tables. We don't have any views in the BW. In BW and HANA same concept. Still. Okay, let me see. We'll load the data and we'll try to check it. Okay, I will go to the BW on HANA. Okay, now we saw, right, how many tables are generated. If you want to see data, you can see it here also. If you click on this, It will take you to the, what is this? Variable. We need to log in. But as of now, we didn't load the data. Okay. See here, we don't have any data, but it is showing the data like this. Clear. Might be for your server it is working. Might be. Okay. For me not working. I will check it this weekend. See, total. No records retrieved. This is the structure of that one. How many records are there? You can see here. Number of entries, 0 records. I didn't load it still. Okay, having a issue with S4HANA. I will load into, so even if you execute also, 0. Okay. And I will try to do in BW on HANA. Okay, I will create it. I'll show you clearly. Close these options. Close. This is very, very important concept because they used to ask every interview. Every interview. Okay. Let me go BW on HANA. I will create. This is BW. This is for HANA. Okay. I need to go here. Okay, I will create here. Okay, see here. There is already an info product with the same name. It is not allowing. So let me take like this. So now you can see it finish. So the naming convention for ADSO between 3 to 9 digits only. It won't allow more than that. The characteristic should allow 3 to 9. The length of ADSO name. You cannot give like this. For example, yeah, now it will allow you. Yeah, so now expand this classic objects. When you select any project in the real time, might be you are into BW and HANA, might be you are into BW4 HANA. That is why we are discussing all this stuff. Double click. So now it is behave like standard DSO. Let me activate it and it will activate you without maintaining the keys. It is throwing the error. You can see right side. Why? Key definition is missing. We didn't maintain the key. That is why it is throwing error. It's not consistent. Key definition is missing. Yeah. We need to maintain it. How you will maintain the keys? Go to details in the bottom. There is a keys, right? Without keys, it won't take. So keys, it won't allow any null values. It won't allow any duplicate values. Activity. Order number, example, one customer will come. See, now I don't face any issue. See, this is sales order number. Sales order number means we'll go to the one shop, 10 people, and they will give order. They will create the order for everyone. But the order number should be unique. The order number is 101. So same order number will give to other person. No, no. If you go to KFC and multiple people will come there. Okay, they can see order number in the on top of the screen. Same order number they will give to other one. No, no. They wanted to calculate in the system itself as well how many orders came for today. But that is the reason they are giving unique queue. That is the reason we are maintaining like no keys. If you don't maintain this, you are giving 110 like order number. If you are trying to again 110, it will allow you if you don't maintain key. If you maintain a key and you are trying to create with the same number as a unique queue, then it won't allow you. Clear. Order number, whatever you created order number, if you are using same order number, then it won't allow you because we created as a key. We maintain as a key order number. So we need to use always unique one. First 101, 102, 103, like this you need to go unique number. Already used order number, it won't allow you. System itself not allow you. This already exists. It will throw you a message like that. Okay. Now we'll see. Just created this one. And how many tables it is created, we'll see. We are into, okay, activated. Huh? Yeah, here. You can see this is only right 9. You can see inbound table, active table, change log table, reporting view. SQL view is not generated. This is old version. Okay, SQL view is not generated. Okay, this option same 1, 2, 3, 7, 6 only available. Okay, and let's see. We'll create the flow in the source BW where I'll go back. Okay, see here we need to refresh the system. So immediately it will not reflected. The system should be reflected. What is our DSO? This is only right 9. And even if you go on search, it will highlight. See highlight. Now I'm going to create a transformation, right? We need to create the transformation. Right click. We need to map, right? This one. Create transformation. So multiple times I'm repeating this option. Okay. Why? Because maybe one time you will not catch. Next time you will get it, right? So that is the way for every option I'm creating. Okay, now it is activating. Okay, this transformation. This concept we will discuss later. Transformation. First, we need to discuss ADSOs. You can see the keys will be like no here keys only. See this key. This is the key. Remaining not key field. These are not key fields. This is you can see here key button options key symbol. This is the key. Okay, and go back. And I'm going to create DTP. With the help of DTP, we will load the data. Okay. Okay. Go to full and activate it. And I'm executing it. See here, just execute data. It will fetch from S4HANA to BW. Now data is coming from where? From S4HANA to BW. Here you can see right S4H client. From there data is coming. Okay, how many records? 89 records came. And now it will go which table it will store initially data. Which table it is not activated. Now it will go. See here, new table, active table, change the table. I will go to the active table. How many records are there? I will check it. Okay. Initially, I'm checking in active table. See, 0 records. I will go to the change law table. I will go to the change law table. Go to environment. Go to change law table, and click OK, and check it. How many records are available? This is number of records. So 0 records are there. Initially, where it will store the data? Display new data. New data means inbound table. So how many records are there? Okay. How many records are there? 89. Clear. Initially, it will store into the inbound table or new table and execute it. If you want to see the data, you can see like this. Okay. And go back again and go back and then select this request and activating it. I'm selecting. In the staging DSO, we don't have it. In the staging DSO, it is in disable mode because there will have only new table, having only inbound table. There is no active table change alert table. In standard DSO, we have active table change alert table. That is why it is enabled. So I'm just activating the request. So here these options will change, right? You can see. See here, this is change rate and this is sorry, yeah, let me refresh here. See, once it is it's taking time. So this is dummy system. Some options will work, some options will not work. This means once it is tick mark, still it is running. You can see yellow means running. You can see high. Okay, once it is green tick mark, then it will move from new table to active table. So you can go there and you can check in the new data table and you can check still it will be there. Once it is tick mark, I'll show you in the real time system as well how it will behave. Okay, once it is tick mark came, then it will move to the active table change table. So actually in my system I am having issue with the activation as well. Okay, let it be short by this weekend. Okay, this is the way we will, we will deal with standard advanced DSO. So, okay, if we have any doubts, just try to create and try to load the data in BW4 HANA and BW and HANA. If you face any issue, just ping me in the WhatsApp, okay? We'll discuss tomorrow. We'll load and we'll through flat file we will load data and we'll see that those things are. So let's discuss tomorrow. I mean Monday or if it is possible on Monday. So we'll discuss data mart and direct update DSO. Then we'll load through flat file as well for ADSOs. We'll see. Okay. And then meanwhile you take the system and take the practice as well. So without practicing, you can't remember all the options. I'm sure about it. Okay? Chalo, bye.